Welcome to this video on migrating your existing Ansible playbooks from Rundeck to the Ansible automation platform. We will cover what remains the same, what needs to change, and how to effectively sequence your migration. In this migration, core playbook logic, modules, and roles generally stay the same. However, how you launch them changes. Think of it this way. Your playbook defines what the automation does, while the AAP job template defines how it is launched. First, remove Rundeck-specific variables. Instead of using lookups for rd_option or rd_job variables, define your variables normally. Use AAP surveys to supply these values at launch time, which keeps your playbooks clean and portable. Inventory management moves into AAP. Stop using Rundeck node filters or hard-coded paths. Instead, use hosts all or a group variable, and select your inventory sources directly within the AAP job template. Next, replace embedded credentials. AAP securely manages these for you. Use AAP's built-in credential types, such as machine, vault, or custom, to inject secrets into your jobs without hard-coding them in your playbooks. Move away from local file system assumptions. Since jobs run in isolated containers, the controller's file system isn't visible. Ship required files within your Git project and use relative paths so they are always available during execution. Manage your dependencies through execution environments. Instead of relying on packages manually installed on the host, declare your collections, Python libraries, and OS packages in your EE build files. For complex processes, replace long, multi-step Rundeck jobs with AAP workflows. Connect individual job templates as nodes, allowing for modular execution, clear failure paths, and built-in approval steps. Streamline your notifications. Stop using scripts to post callbacks to Rundeck. Use AAP's native notification templates to handle status alerts, which can be configured to trigger on job success, failure, or other events. Be careful with localhost tasks. In AAP, localhost is the ephemeral container, not a persistent server. If you need to persist output, use set_stats or external storage instead of writing directly to the local disk. Ensure your jobs are fully non-interactive. Remove vars_prompt and interactive pause commands. Use surveys for user input and workflow approval nodes for human gatekeeping to maintain a seamless automation pipeline. Retire your custom shell wrappers. Map all CLI flags like limit or tags to native settings in your job template. This ensures your launch configuration is version controlled and clearly visible within the platform. Review your ansible.cfg settings. AAP ignores server global configurations, so only include necessary settings in a project-level file within your Git repository, keeping it minimal for containerized environments. Simplify your logging. AAP automatically captures all task output and job events. If you use custom callback plugins, ensure they are packaged into your execution environment image to be available at runtime. Finally, remove dependencies on specific system service accounts. Because containers use different users, rely on AAP credentials and project-based files to maintain consistent and secure automation across all your environments. Let's discuss privilege escalation. Rundeck often handled this implicitly. In AAP, you must be explicit. Configure your escalation method and user in the machine credential, and use become true in your playbooks. Never bury sudo inside a shell command. Next, review how your playbooks call other playbooks. For tightly coupled stages, use import_playbook. If you need different credentials, inventories, or approval gates, use an AAP workflow to manage those stages separately. While not strictly required, migration is the best time to switch to fully qualified collection names, or FQCNs. This removes ambiguity and makes your collection dependencies clear, which is vital for building your execution environment. Concurrency and locking need careful review. AAP handles job-level concurrency, but you should also express host-level safety in your playbooks using features like serial, throttle, run_once, and block/rescue for robust error handling. To handle data between workflow nodes, use set_stats. While register and set_fact work within a single play, set_stats publishes artifacts that subsequent nodes in your workflow can consume. This video serves as a quick reference for your migration. Use this table to map common Rundeck functions to their AAP counterparts, such as mapping job steps to workflows or key storage to credentials. We recommend a 5-phase approach. Start with discovery. Make your playbooks portable. build your execution environment, create your AAP objects, and finally, validate both systems in non-prod before the final cutover. Before your first launch, review these high-risk items: local host behavior, file system paths, secrets management, execution environment dependencies, and Rundeck-specific variables. Clearing these 5 items drastically improves your success rate. Remember, your tasks move, but the plumbing changes. Focus on your surveys, inventory, and workflows. Start by discovering your jobs, pick a pilot project, and validate your execution environment to ensure a smooth transition.